To record in slow motion with your DJI Pocket 4, what you need to do, if you are into the film mode, you can swipe up and select your FPS for frame per second and go to the highest number you can go, which is in that case into HD and 4K 60 frames per second. From there, in post-prod, you can reduce that speed because you have more frame than a normal video that will be around 24, 25 or 30 frames per second. Now let me put it back to 30 frames. Then, if you want to go even slower, hit the lower left icon, which is actually in video mode, and we will go into slow for slow motion. And from here, you can select your resolution, again, 1080p or 4K, and you can go up to 8x. This mode will record not in 240 frames per second. Well, actually, this is what it's gonna do, but it will put it into a video file that is 30 frames per second. So I hope this was helpful. You can go up to 8x. You simply have to record. Let me give you an example just right here. And if I go into the viewing mode, you will see that this little 2 seconds that I recorded did a 12 seconds video, and you can see my finger move much more slowly than what I did. So I hope this was clear and helpful. See ya.